Hey everyone, this is John Wickenheiser from QMR's Castle, and I just wanted to thank PAV for inviting us for their film contest. We're really glad that you invited us, and we really hope we win. So, thanks so much. And
hey babe, what you doing?
I'm kind of filming something.
Oh really? You filming something? You're filming something?
Yes.
Are you? Is that the video camera? Oh.
So anyway, I would like to... QMR?
Is it on? Is it on?
Yes. So anyway, I would like to thank PVA for inviting
It's QMR's film show. Fashion.
Please, Your Highness, this is...
No, it's QMR's fashion show. Hello, dearie. It's QMR's fashion show. How's it going? No, I want to be on the camera. I want to be on the camera. No.
You don't care. I just want to live my life.
I want to have a show. It's my show. Stop it.
You don't stop it right now. I'm going to put you in the bathroom.
No, no.
Yes.
Oh, stop. No,
Going in the bathroom.
I'm not going in the bathroom. No, I don't want to. Help me. No.
Hi, everyone. This is John.
Let me out.
Don't worry. I put her back in the bathroom. Don't worry. She has food and water. She'll be out in 15 minutes. So, I just want to
Let
say
me out,
thanks.
John. Let me out.
I hope we win. Thank you for watching.
Let me out.
Bye.
Help me, I have to pee. Let me out.